It's a simple question, but one that carries a lot of weight. Too loose and you're risking leaks, rework, and potential system failure. Too tight and you could damage the fitting, deform the tubing, or compromise the seal entirely.
When installing tube fittings, one question always remains.
Is it tight enough?
For decades, installers have relied on visual checks, torque guidelines, and gap gauges to confirm proper installation. But what if there was a way to know instantly? Introducing the Tylok ZapLok installation verification tool. ZapLok is designed to confirm when your fitting is installed properly. When the fitting is installed correctly, you'll feel it. ZapLok helps eliminate guesswork, reduce installation errors, and give installers confidence that the job is done right. Tylok ZapLok, the installation tool that will shock you.